The Theory of Everything is the title of Stephen Hawking's book, telling the world about his journey and passion to find a theory of everything. Hawking is the famous scientist confined to a wheelchair with a computerized voice, who proved the theory of black holes before we discovered them with our telescopes. He continued the work of Albert Einstein, who developed the famous equation E=mc². Einstein's work refined the three rules of motion that Isaac Newton had discovered after he saw an apple fall. Although these three scientists discovered truths about the universe, their results were incomplete. Scientists are still looking for a theory of everything which will describe what we can see and touch and feel here on Earth, what our telescopes see in the universe around us, and what our microscopes see that are too small for us to see with our eyes. We see mysteries in the universe that we don't understand. The way subatomic particles act doesn't make sense. God is my answer to that question. We believe that He spoke the universe into being as we read in Genesis and in John's Gospel. Jesus came and showed us God's love and power. People could see and hear and touch Him. God's Holy Spirit came and continues with us today. We cannot see or touch Him, but we can feel Him and see Him in our hearts and minds. God is everywhere. God is in everything. When we leave Him out of the equation, then there is a piece missing. We can feel that for ourselves when we leave God out of our lives. Something is missing. The creation around us points towards the creative love of God. Jesus said that even the stones shout out about God. God has given us the ability to relate to Him, to understand something of the world and universe in which we live. He is with us. He is for us. He loves us and we can trust Him. I will live my life as best as I can for Him. That's my theory of everything.